have the bull who called the bull run of 2016, despite all the noise from the non-believers. He is now changing his tune, turning neutral, going to the sidelines. Tony Dwyer's with Canacord. What's going on? What do you see that we don't?
That's just such a great shock, right, Liz?
Yeah.
Thanks for having me. Basically, Wall Street's littered with guys that, you hit the target and then they move the target. So I'm not going to do that. I think very near-term fair value is 21.75. Closed at the end of last week when we did on Thursday, right around that target.
We're close to 21.75. We're at 21.67.
Yeah, and it doesn't mean that it can't go back and forth a little bit from there. But basically, the stat that got us there was anytime that the VIX, the CBOE volatility index, anytime the VIX dropped below 12 for the first time in 3 months, it's happened 10 times. The next 2 weeks have seen a significant increase in volatility, averaging 20% upside in the VIX. So it's really a more tactical near-term call. You couple that with we're in front of the bulk of earnings. I think a third of the S&P 500 reports earnings this week. You've got all the economic data, of course, over the next couple of weeks, and you got the Fed meeting. So really, it's just kind of a consolidation slash correction before the next leg higher.
What will get you back in? What will get you? What signals do you need to see before you buy again?
I just need a little bit of the overbought condition to work in, a pickup in volatility, which we've seen a little bit of today. And just to get through the economic, what you really want to get through is the FOMC meeting. We've got this FOMC meeting that ends on Wednesday. It's got a press release but no press conference, so it's going to be tough to gauge exactly what they mean. And just that kind of volatility, getting through it, I think, leads to opportunity.
Opportunity. Well, you know what? Today, with a market down 80 points, our opportunity is here from you, Tony. Thank you. Tony Dwyer of Canacord.